Hi friends, welcome back to my channel yvscraftyart. I have used the hook of 2.5 mm. First we have to make a slip knot and work on multiple chains of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this pattern, work on multiple chains of tens. Now skip 3 stitches, that's 1, 2 and 3, and in the fourth insert the hook and work on 1 triple crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through first, yarn over, pull through second, yarn over, pull through third one, again into the next stitch, work on 1 triple crochet, that is of 1, 2 and 3, which forms a triple crochet. Now work on 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, skip 1, 2 and 3, and in third chain work on 1 single crochet stitch plus 3 chain, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third stitch work on 1 triple crochet again, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through second, and yarn over, pull through third loops. Again into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet, again into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet. Totally we have to work on 3 triple crochets plus 3 chain, skipped 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in third work on 1 single crochet stitch plus 3 chain, and skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in the third stitch work on 1 triple crochet, into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet, and into the next stitch, third stitch, work on 1 triple crochet. Totally we will get 3 triple crochets. Repeat till the end. 1, 2, 3. Skip first and second, in the third stitch work on 1 single crochet. So we have to work in this way till the end. Look, at last we got 3 triple crochets. In the ending we have to get 3 triple crochets, don't forget that. Now work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn back side and insert the hook into the space and work on, into the first space work on 1 single crochet. Sorry, I missed a clip here, and work on 6 chain. Insert the hook into the next space and work on 1 single crochet plus 5 chain. Insert the hook into the next space and work on 1 single crochet plus 5 chain. Insert the hook into the next space and work on 1 single crochet. Work till the end in the same pattern. Plus 5, work till the end. At last insert the hook into the third chain of the last chain space and work on 1 single crochet plus 4 chain. Flip the design and work on triple crochet, that is of 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So totally we'll get 5 triple crochets. Consider the chain as the 1 triple crochet, and in the next space work on single crochet stitch. Into the next space work on 5 triple crochets, that is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Totally we have to work 7 triple crochet stitches in the space. In the next space work on 1 single crochet, and into the next chain space work on 7 triple crochets, that is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Work on 7 triple crochets in this chain space, and into the next space work on 1 single crochet. Repeat till the end. Look, I have complete round 2, round 3. In the last we have to get 5 triple crochets. Now work on one chain and flip backwards. Into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch work on 1 single crochet. Totally we will get 2 single crochets plus 2 chain, 3, 4, 5. Work on 5 chain and skip 2 stitches in the next pattern, and in the third one work on 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet. Totally we will get 3 single crochet stitches plus 5 chain, and in the next skip on 2, and into third work on 1 single crochet. Into the second stitch work on 1 single crochet. In the third stitch work on 1 single crochet plus 5 chain, skip 2 stitches, and in third work on 1 single crochet, and into the second work on 1 single crochet, and in the third work on 1 single crochet. That forms 3 single crochet stitches plus 5 chain, skip 2, 1, 2, and in third one work on 1 single crochet. Into the next work on 1 single crochet, and in the final chain work on 1 single crochet in the third chain. Now I'm going to add another color. In this way, pull through 2 loops, we'll get knot plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain, flip to the front side. Consider this 4 chain as 1 triple crochet, and into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet stitch, which forms 2 triple crochets together, and into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet stitch, now work on 3 chain, work on 1 single crochet into the next chain space, plus 3 chain, and work on 1 triple crochet into the next stitch. 1 into the next stitch, work on 1 triple crochet, that is 2, and into the next stitch work on 1 triple crochet, that is of 3 triple crochets we have to work on, plus 3 chain, and into the next chain space work on 1 single crochet, plus 3 chain, and work on 1 triple crochet into the next stitch, work on 1 triple crochet into the second stitch, work on 1 triple crochet into the third stitch, which forms 3 triple crochets altogether. Plus 3 chain, work on 1 single crochet into the next chain space, work till the end, and in the end work on 3 triple crochet stitches into the last chain space, into the third chain work on 1 triple crochet, which forms a 3 triple crochets, plus 6 chain, flip backwards and work on 1 single crochet into the space, work on 5 chain, and work on 1 single crochet into the next chain space, plus 5 chain, work on 1 single crochet stitch into the next space, plus 5 chain, and work 1 single crochet into the next space. Continue till the end, and in end work on 5 chain and work on 1 single crochet stitch into the third chain, plus 4 chain, consider that as 1 triple crochet, and into the next chain space work on 4 triple crochets, that is of 2, 3, 4, and 5. And into the next chain space work on 1 single crochet, and into the next chain space work on 7 triple crochet stitches, that is of 1, 2, 3, like that, 7. Look, I have completed 7. And into the next chain space work on 1 single crochet, make that, repeat till the end. Look, I have done there. Work on 1 single crochet into the next chain space, repeat the process. In the end work on 5 triple crochets, that's of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Plus 1 chain, flip to the front side, and to the next chain work on 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet, which forms 2 single crochets plus 3 chain, 4, 5 plus 5 chain. Skip first 2 and in the third work on 1 single crochet stitch. Into the second stitch work on one single crochet, and in the third work on 1 single crochet, which forms 3 single crochets plus 5 chain. Skip 2 stitches and into the third stitch work on 1 single crochet. Into the second work on 1 single crochet, and in the third work on 1 single crochet plus 5 chain. Skip 2 stitches into the next. Work till the end. In the third chain work on 1 single crochet, that forms 2 single crochets at the end, and 3. Work on 3 single crochets plus 1 chain. So finally you'll get the pattern like this. If you like my video, like the content of the video, please do like, which will help me to reach a border of people, and also subscribe to my channel. Do comment if you have any doubts regarding to this video. So the overall pattern will be looking like this. Thank you for watching.